Time to eat again with Chef Man RD. RD means research and development. A lot of research going on here. Today I'm gonna make some cheese ravioli, air fried, shake and bake style in my Cosori air fryer. And that's gonna be delicious. You gotta try it. Let me show you how. It's gonna be real easy. Come on over and watch. Did you ever try this or think of this before? I never tried it, but I just thought of it because I had some ravioli. These are not frozen, so that's good. They're from Wegmans. It doesn't matter where you get them from. And these seem to be small size. You can get the bigger size. I got some shake and bake, which I like to keep around the house. Extra crispy. See? There's a little bag inside to shake it with. You know that? Old classic, retro comfort food, which we love a lot. Let's put the coating mix in the shaking bag. It's very simple and easy. This will be great for parties, snacks like I'm gonna have, lunch, or a whole meal. Don't waste none of this. Whoa. Oh, that flavor. The aroma. How do you open these things? I have my Cosori, oops, it went off. 350, I want to go 14 minutes, so wait till I'm ready for that. Put this dipping sauce aside, marinara sauce. I'm gonna dip it in there if you like, but you don't have to. We're gonna moisten these. Let's open this. We're gonna put one layer in there. Moisten these in a bowl full of water. Get your shaking bag ready. Have my water here. I'm gonna put a handful in. They're nice. Cheese inside. You can get them with meat. First moisten them. Put them in there so the coating sticks. You know that. Just moistened. Put them one by one in a shaking bag. Not too many. About 6 to start with. And then shake them up. You know how. See? We're halfway done already. Look at that. It's gonna stick good. I'm gonna try to get one layer in here. I'll show you this. I know it's gonna be good and crunchy. These are meant to be boiled normally. But I have no problem with air frying them. Could deep fry them too, huh? Try to get as many as I can in there. Nice, neat. Shake, 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 shake. Shake and bake. And I helped. How many we got so far? Can you count them? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is that enough? Is that enough for right now? Maybe. I got some good shake left over and a lot of ravioli left over. I'm gonna love it. That's it, see? Let's see, 16. Okay, we'll go with 16. Since we're in a hurry and we're hungry, we'll slide them in. Oh, this is my Cosori. This is my newest air fryer. I seem to like this one a lot. I'm going to use the manual setting. 350. Change the time to 14 minutes. Press play. And I'm going to check it halfway through. Now, if I use a preset like French fries or whatever else you have here, chicken or fish, halfway through, it has a shake alert. That's the only air fryer that I saw that has that feature, which will beep and it'll say shake. You open it up and shake it. But since I set it manual, I don't know if that's going to happen, but we're going to find out in 7 minutes. Okay? You want some of these? I hope they're good and crunchy. Here we are at 7 minutes. I didn't get the shake alert reminder because I used the manual setting, but I want to look at them. You want to look at them too? Oh, they're getting brown. That's what I want. Look. What do they look like here? Oh, crunchy. Oh, yes. It's definitely what I want. I might taste one at this point after I turn them all over, because they might be done. 7 minutes. Let me taste one. Let me get one out and let it cool. All right. Let me sit there a minute. Delicious. And I could have put more. I could have put the whole bag in there, I guess. Man, what nice morsels. Another idea for you to try. Think this is cool enough yet? Don't burn myself now. Take a bite, see if it's done. Yeah, I say they're done. 7 minutes are done. All right, let's put them out on a fancy plate. Fancy it up. Shake and bake crumbs. Thank you. 7 minutes at 350. Excellent. You love it? This has been shake and bake. Oh, what am I doing with these glasses on? Don't look at me like that. What the heck's going on here? So try this. This has been Chef Mammana with the shake and bake ravioli. Oh, let me dip one in marinara sauce. Put that on the side. I'll fix up your fancy plate, huh? And remember, the R&D stands for really doggone hungry. That's a winner. Ravioli dinner. It's a spot. The cheese and the inside is still a little soft. The outside is crunchy, as you can tell. You gotta make some of these. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Sorry you see me with my glasses on. But it could have been worse. All right, talk to you soon. Please subscribe. I'm gonna have something great for supper tonight. This is my snack. I'll talk to you soon, all right? Have a nice day. Oh, these are so good. Whoa!